How can I specify working directory for popen? Is there a way to specify the running directory of command in Python's subprocess.popen? For example, my Python script is located in c:/programs/python. Is it possible to run c:/mytool/tool.x in the directory d:/test/local? How do I set the working directory for a subprocess?
Subprocess.popen takes a cwd argument to set the current working directory. You'll also want to escape your var. The way you have it written, the var. So, your new line should look like. To use your Python script path as cwd, import os and define cwd using this.
Other way is to simply do this. This solution works if you want to rely on relative paths. For example, if your tool's location is c:/some/directory/tool.exe. cwd keyword argument for popen will not let you do this. Some scripts/tools may rely on you being in the given directory while invoking them. To make this code less noisy, aka detach the logic related to changing directories from the business logic, you can use a decorator. Such decorator can be then used in a way